welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. It's been a while since I've done a, video. Of course, I posted a video not too long ago that I filmed back in January, but we're fresh in April now, so let's just jump into it. This is just a little chit chat, get ready with me, where I do my base makeup. The eye makeup is done over on my TikTok. If you want to follow me over on there, I do more content over there, especially with eye makeup. So yeah, I think that wraps up what I wanted to say in the beginning. So let's just jump into this chatty get ready with me. Alright, so my skin has been kind of going through it lately, and I'm going to start with the First Aid Beauty Hydrating Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. This was gifted to me through Skeepers, and I like it so far. I actually got it several months ago, but it's nice under makeup. I like it. I really need to step up my skincare game, but we're not here to talk about skincare. I guess I should start with where I've been, and honestly, here. I've just been here in this bedroom and at work, and that's all I've been doing is just between work and just being overwhelmed with everything. That's just where my head's been. This is the Kinship Self-Reflect tinted sunscreen. I love this stuff, but it's super sticky, and this was also gifted to me through Skeepers. It is a wonderful product though. It just takes quite a long time for me to rub it in, probably because I use too much, but it is phenomenal under makeup because it is so sticky. It kind of just grips everything, and it's lovely. But yeah, I've been working. I went back to my retail job, and it's not as bad as it was when I was there before I left, and I think that's because I stopped putting so much pressure on myself. I'm going to go in with a mix of two concealers, the Wet n Wild Incognito and the Urban Decay Quickie. So where I last left off with my videos, I don't know if I mentioned that me and my husband were trying to get a house. As much as we would love to have a house now, it's just the market where we live is not feasible. We were only approved for, I say only approved, $225,000 is a lot of money to be approved for, but when $225,000 will get you like a one bedroom, one bathroom place, and we need a larger space, it's just not feasible. Plus they are charging so much for really crappy houses. There's one that stood out to me was a house that was, from the outside it looked nice, and it had I think 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, a garage and everything, and it was over $300,000, and it was completely gutted on the inside for fire damage. Ridiculous. Anyway, so that kind of put a damper on just finding a house in general. We live in a suburb of Chicago, so everything's just more expensive here. We're not looking in our immediate area where we're living now, but no matter where we branch off, it's just expensive. He just happens to have a job in one of the most expensive suburbs, so we have to stay close to his job. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. But yeah, life is just throwing me curveballs. I really want to leave this apartment. I do, and get a house, but it sucks that we know it's not feasible right now. We're hoping by early next year it will, and we're hoping the apartment will let us break our lease without too much fuss. So we've just been working on saving money where we can and paying off some credit cards, because we're hoping we can get pre-approved for something higher, give us a bigger market to look in. But yeah, that's the housing stuff. I really don't know what else to say. If you follow me for a while, you know I have bouts of depression that get really bad. I get stuck in my head. So nothing about me not posting is new. I don't I'm not coming back with a, you know, happy, hey, I'm pregnant post. That's not happening yet. Can't happen until we have a bigger space. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics bronzer in birthday suit. This is pretty orange on me, but I deal with it. And I actually hate the coffee scent on this. So, for Christmas, my husband bought me a Kindle, and I have been reading a lot on the Kindle, which is surprising because I was an adamant I would never get a Kindle. I would never read books that aren't physical books, and now that's like all I read. And I have a ton of books on my bookshelf that I have bought over the years that I haven't read, and I want to read the physical books, but it's just so easy with the Kindle. I like a lot of bronzer apparently. Colourpop Rustica blush. I have also been playing Animal Crossing's Crossing? I don't know if there's an S at the end. I've been playing that lately, and it's my first time ever playing it, and like, it's a simple game, but I find myself playing it for like hours and hours, and I don't get why I'm so entranced with it. But then again, like, my type of games are like the Pokemon games, so yeah. Which I did play those. I think I have one spot left to finish on Violet, and then I'm actually finished, or did I finish it? No, I did finish it. Never mind. I finished it, and I'm just trying to catch all the Pokemon. I didn't do the steals or anything yet. I love the Switch. I grew up playing video games, but I never got into like first-person shooters or anything like that. I actually hate those sort of games, which is the games that my husband plays. But yeah, I've been playing Animal Crossings, and I think the new Legend of Zelda game came out today, or maybe that's next week, I don't know. I am definitely going to try to pick that up. This is the Mikayla X Glamlite highlighter. So yeah, I've been playing my Switch a lot more lately, and that's pretty much it. Between reading and the Switch, that's kind of what I've been doing besides working. Me and my husband are trying to find new recipes because we're just bored of what we're currently eating. We're trying to eat a little bit healthier, but the most I can do with eating green vegetables is throwing them in a smoothie, which I do a copycat version of the Panera green passion smoothie, and I throw a crap ton of spinach in it, and that is how I get my greens for the day. I think I went a little too hard with the everything. Even though I've taken a break from YouTube, I have been active on TikTok and Instagram, but I have recently taken a break from both those platforms because of, you know, mental health stuff. But on TikTok, I was in the middle of doing a series with choosing a random palette every time I did my makeup. I got through 25 of them and stopped posting. But I am starting that up again with this video. So that is what's going to happen after I finish my face. I will pop off to do my eyes, and then I will be back to finish up the video. Sometimes I don't understand myself because I know without a doubt that if I were to just take the time to sit down and do my makeup, I would feel 1,000 times better, because doing this brings me so much joy. I love creating content and doing my makeup and all this. I just love it, and I hate that I don't do it more, but I fear forcing myself to do it when I'm not in the mood to do it will cause me to hate it, and I don't need to hate anything else in my life. I am, however, hating my hair. I feel like I need to make another change with it, but I did promise that I was going back to my natural redhead color. It's just kind of boring. I think I want to change up the yellow. I think that's what I need to do. Anyway, this is the Urban Decay brow blade, and I have it in the, I want to say it's Gingersnap. Yeah, Gingersnap shade. One of the best, if not the best, redheaded brow shades I have tried from a, from a brand. Alright, and to finish out my brows, I am going in with the Merit Volumizing Pomade. I have it in the brown shade, which is not ginger, but this was gifted to me from Merit, and I've been liking it. I just wish I had a different shade. Now to finish off, setting all this with some spray. I have learned that I have to cover my chest when I'm spraying. Doesn't matter what spray I'm using. This one's one of the worst ones. It doesn't break out my face, but it breaks out my chest. So if I'm wearing a tank top or sports bra or something, I need to cover it. So yeah, this is my completed base makeup. I'm going to pop off camera to film my TikTok to do the eye portion, and I'll be right back to wrap up this video, and yeah. Alright, so this is my finished makeup look. Obviously you saw this at the beginning, but I love how this came out. I ended up using the Colourpop Strawberry Sweet palette that I drew in my palette series. So I am doing a random palette draw over on my TikTok, and I do a makeup look with whatever I draw, and today was Colourpop, so I love that. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. For those who have stuck around over my absences, I really appreciate you. I don't get a lot of traction over on YouTube, and that's okay. I still like making the videos and whatnot. But if you follow me still and you like my content and you want to see something different or something that you want me to review or whatever, let me know down below in the comments. Any video suggestions, if there's any products you want me to try, I will try to pick up. You know, some new products every now and then to give it a try. Otherwise, I'm just going to be using what I have in my stash right now because I got too much makeup. I did a declutter and I still have too much makeup. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Don't forget to follow me over on all my socials. I am artistryxashh everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. I think that's all I have. I have Pinterest, but I don't really use Pinterest. Hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!